Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still your girl, the real Shima. If this is your first time of seeing my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to turn on your notifications so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your comments. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the likes. This means a whole lot to me. Like, you guys are my real MVP and you rock my world. Basically, my channel is about my lifestyle, how I live my life, the things I love to do, the meals I love to cook, my hair care routine, skincare, places I go for fun, everything about Shima, unscripted, like unscripted stuff. So if there's anything you want to know about me, please let me know in the comment section and I will make a video about that for you. So guys, today I did something really interesting, something fun. Like, I've been longing to do this thing for only God knows how long, and I did it today, guys, and I am super excited to show you this because it was worth it and I know that you want to visit that place. Okay, so let me show you what I did today. Yes, so today I was going somewhere which I've said I'm not going to disclose until we get to the place. I got to the bus stop and then trying to get a bus because the place from my house to the place is not so far. So thank God I got the bus so fast. Then I got into the bus and I was headed to my destination. Honestly, guys, whenever you're going out in Lagos, your prayer will be there shouldn't be traffic. And honestly, before leaving the house, I prayed that I don't want to encounter traffic, and I did not. So I have gotten to my destination, LUFASI Park, LUFASI Nature Park. Okay, here I just got my ticket and then I was going towards the tour guide to meet him and ask him certain questions and to know when I'm entering or when he's going to take me around the forest and let me see things. So I was walking towards the tour guide. Okay, I met the tour guide and I was told I have to wait for some minutes before it will get to my turn for him to take me round the forest. See, guys, I almost fell down at that point. It's been long I sat on a swing, so I was trying to get used to it. Please do not laugh at me. Okay, and finally I was able to swim. See what I found. The biggest dog I have ever seen in my life, guys. Beautiful creatures, even though I don't like them. So while I was waiting for the tour guide, I took out time to read this book called Rediscovering Your Faith. It was a very good read, like very good read. At this point, guys, I write about picking palm kernel. I love palm kernel. Growing up, I always loved to eat palm kernel. So I saw it after a long time and I couldn't hesitate to pick a handful of it. I was super excited. How many did I pick? I think that was 8 or thereabouts, yeah. I play a lot. Okay, I went to the horse corner where I saw beautiful horses, and they are so healthy, guys. I was excited to see these horses. There's a particular horse that ran towards me as if it was coming to eat me up, and I just shifted from that side. And from there I went towards the donkeys. This is the first time I'm seeing a donkey. I've just seen the one in the picture that carried Jesus. I don't know if this is that donkey that carried Jesus, but I was so scared of even going close to it. Oh, finally I touched the donkey. Yes. I was so excited. And then from here I went to the art gallery corner. I love artwork, and if I have my way, I want to learn how to color and draw. I went inside and I was wowed. Like, I saw beautiful paintings, beaded paintings, beautiful. And guys, when I mean beautiful, these things are really beautiful, but they are so expensive. I think this particular one goes for 350,000 naira. This one I was touching goes for 350. I was having a nice walk and breathing the fresh air of LUFASI. Excited. Growing up, I've always had this phobia for bushes. I get scared entering bushes, but I found out that I didn't really feel it. Even though when I walked closer to the bushes, I had this goosebump, but I was enjoying it. Okay, here I went to meet the monkeys, and I kind of felt really bad because I didn't go with anything for these monkeys. No banana, nothing. My bad. You see this particular creature, I don't know the name. I just saw it and needed to film it so that I would ask the name of this, because to me, if you ask me, I'll say it's a bush cat. Well, I don't know if that is what it is. Please, if you know the name of this animal, let me know in the comment section, please. Wow. You see, I was my own tour guide because the tour guide did not later show up, so I just had to find my way, even though I was scared. You won't believe I was saying Psalm 23 in my mind. Like, I was scared. The Lord is my shepherd. Oh, I had to take off my hat. I was hot. Guys, walking on this path brought back some childhood memories, honestly. Nature is so beautiful. Nature is beautiful. There's a particular place I was trying to locate. What's it called? The lake house. Yeah, that was what I was going to. Alone. Okay, so I got to this spot, forest bathing. Guys, this place is so peaceful. So peaceful. Like, at one point I was asking myself, is this Lagos or I traveled home to see my family? This place is so calm and peaceful. Brought out my book again to read. So I was basically doing 1 to 2 chapters as I go. Honestly, I must say, rediscovering your faith, it's a must read. Like, if you can, please get this book and read. You're going to learn a lot. A lot. I wish I can do a book review to review this book for you. I just wish. Okay, so I needed to talk to my father, and I saw this spot as a beautiful place to just stay and talk to God. So I kind of used this opportunity wisely. I reconnected with nature. I took out time to read, and then I still had time to pray. Beautiful stuff. It's so funny how I was scared and refused to close my eyes. This is somebody that is praying and then her eyes are opened. Still trying to locate that lake house. Guys, I must see that lake house. Yes, I found it. You can see the smile on my face. I found the lake house. Guys, this place is beautiful. And I feel like planning a girls trip right now. Like, let's go to this place, just sit down, reconnect with nature, and just have fun. If you're interested, please let me know. Let's go and have fun. See, I met 2 ladies there. They were also chilling. This place is beautiful. LUFASI Park is beautiful. I cannot overemphasize how good I felt. Like, it was therapeutic for me to stay here. I saw fishes. I saw different water creatures, and I was so excited, trying to imagine how beautiful God is. And at one point, guys, honestly, I began to say, I think God is a woman, because how can someone make something so beautiful in just 7 days? God! I saw beautiful fishes. You won't believe what I was doing. I was actually asking God questions like, why didn't He make fishes to fly and birds to be in water? Does it make sense? It doesn't, but that was just me being curious, I guess. Yes, and that was the end, or that is the end of my today's tour, how my day went. It was beautiful for me, honestly. Sorry, I couldn't film how I was going home because my phone went off. So I hope you enjoyed this video. What do you think? Do you want us to go there? I am always ready. See, Shima is always ready to have fun and visit nature. So if you want us to go, please let me know in the comment section. I will plan it and we'll go there and have fun. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end. Please like my video, turn on your notification, and do well to subscribe so that we can keep having fun together.